I put this Meguiar's product on here. It's the Gold Class Vinyl Rubber Protectant. It says it brings back richness and color to vinyl, plastic, and rubber. Here's a closer look of what this tonneau cover looks like with the sun really impacting the color. It's not as dark as it was. It's more gray than it was black originally. Here we are with the vinyl protectant on the tonneau cover. It makes a huge difference. It will make this cover last a lot longer. Watch the difference. Wow. Just went a little ways to show you the dramatic change. So if you have any doubts about whether or not it's important to protect the vinyl and rubber in your vehicle, especially your Maverick, take a look at that. Before and after, that can't be any way to describe this better than to show you this video of how gray my tonneau cover was looking after a short time, just a couple months. And even the bed rail rubber looks so much better. Right there. Thanks, Meguiar's. I think they've been around for like 100 years, literally. Based in Irvine, California, not far from Huntington Beach. I did wash this truck earlier and it doesn't look very good on that bumper. But look what happens with the protectant sealer. It just brings back all the dark color. Trim around the windows. Look at that. Oh, and of course, don't forget to open your tailgate so you can protect everything here. That's better. Oh yeah, don't forget your tailgate handle. Got a little splotchy from touching it. There we go. Oh, much better. Wow. Oh yeah, and you also want to hit the XLT badges or whatever badging you got. Make them shine. We are done with protecting all of the rubber and plastic on these two Ford Mavericks, including the tonneau covers. They were looking pretty gray before, and now they're looking true to their color. It's more of a dark black. Great contrast for this alto blue and carbonized gray colors. Wow, look at that door handle. Everything is looking brand new again. So here they are. A little bit of light left on them. My hybrid and my all-wheel drive side by side. Thanks for watching.